Welcome to my channel. Thank you for visiting my first video. I received a lot of good comments, and that inspires me to make more videos for you and share some of the ideas and strategies I use to grow, especially my merch on demand account. This is today I started the day with 5 sales. This month, January, has been good, but obviously not as good as Q4. But it is how it is in January. Hopefully it will get better on February or March. Valentine's Day, 100 days of school, all those trends. Today I'm gonna show you how can you prompt to find fresh trends using ChatGPT or Gemini or whatever. And for this I create a lot of prompts to find trends, like I don't know, I can show you now. For example, I have an agent prompt to find viral tea phrases that are fresh. I created all these with ChatGPT. For example, this is for Fresh Trend Finder. I have another one for the Emerging Niche Finder. I even went specific for Google Trend Vital Finder. You can use this with X, with I don't know, Netflix, Christian Trend Finder. This is specific for Christianity and Catholics. For example, this one is for Entertainment Trend Finder. This is for to find styles from Netflix or HBO. I don't know if there is a series like, I don't know, of karate that is trendy. Obviously, I start searching for karate because popularity in karate will grow with this series. So for today, I'm gonna use right here this one, Fresh Trend Finder. In the past, I have found, for example, a trend that was radioactive shrink, that I sold like 50 shirts. Also 3A Atlas, that was a comet. I'm not selling it anymore. Also find niche fruits, those fruits that eat themselves, and Italian brain rot. Those trends are dying now, but it helped me grow my account fast. This technique is especially used for people that are in tier 10 or 25 or 100. I wanna capitalize on fresh trends to sell t-shirts fast, and also with bigger accounts. Sometimes trends like 6-7, for example, they grow. They last long. They're not for 1 week or 1 month. For example, 6-7 have last like, I don't know, like half a year or more. So let's go. We're gonna copy this. Afterwards, I can share you this prompt, but it's very easy to create them. Okay, I will copy this. Go to Gemini. I will paste it here, and let's see the results. Okay, after a couple of minutes, I got some 20 results. First, we have Red Node migration. Let me see what's up. I go to Google, for example, and I see what refers to a mass movement. I don't know. So then I go to the second one. Green Bean, what you mean? That's a real animated dancing green bean character. This is like a brain rot. Oh, this can be good. Then search. When I find this, I usually go to Google Trends here by Fast67. That is all trending all the way. So I put it here. Let me see. It's not trending that much, but let me find it here. Okay. It's like a brain rot, but nothing to do with brain. So now I with these trends, you have to be very careful because they can be trademark or be Roblox or whatever. So I go here and I use the GPT called Phrase Investigator. This one also was created by Escape POV, Jose Quiles, I will leave the link in the description again. So I put here that, and then we see what it says. Paris, Acapawarpia, internet. It means what you mean. Okay. It looks safe to me. Let's search on here. I was there. Here in this search, we can see the only the merch on demand, the designs. Let's see. Oh, you see, we have some results. Not that much. Only put best sellers, ebook has sellers, and you see there's some people that already found this and jump into it. But I think they are all new. Yes, all new. So this is a bet. You can upload them, and sometimes you don't sell anything. Sometimes that trendy, and you can sell a lot of this ad. So I think this is set to go. If you check trademarks and copyrights and all that, and is it set, I will go to Google again. Here I have it, and I will try to find this one can work. A clean image of the meme. This one to work, and say this one. So I download, and now I previously downloaded the image. I start and went to ChatGPT again and asked it to transform this character on a white background in HD. So you could come here, transform it here, very nice, without the text or not pixelated. And then I download. Once I download, I go to Photoshop. You can use Photopea also. I will leave the link in the description for free. This is Adobe Photoshop. You have to pay for it. And then here, it's easy. You can go to remove background. You see, very easy. And then I will show you another secret. I have some templates, Photoshop templates. This is not AI. This is there are templates of old school designing. So I will search for one that can work. My templates. Let's see. Okay. I think this can work fine on this one. This fine, the evolution one. This is a very trendy template of merch. And now I'm putting it here. Let's see if it works. I'm not upscaling this character because it's very small size here. See? Yeah. You see? And it works. For me it works. I remove this. And I can export this to, let's say, green beam. Create a folder. Read and export. Afterwards, you can find the keywords, the title, all that. Check the trademarks again and upload it to Amazon. This is a fast and easy example of trending stuff you can find on the web that is not oversold on Amazon or Redbubble or anything. It's an easy way to find them. Sometimes you don't find anything, and sometimes I have found things that nobody knows about, that I sell a lot of t-shirts and are safe. Some people don't like uploading this kind of stuff because they say they're risky. Sometimes it is risky, but if you do the search and you're sure they had no problem with it, go for it. I have used it a lot of times and it works very fine. I hope you like this new video. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video. And if you have any questions or suggestions, you can leave it in the comments for me to create new videos and help you in your merch on demand journey. See you next time. Thank you. Bye.